What is the best time of year to repair my furnace? If you live in the Twin Cities, waiting until your furnace breaks down in the middle of winter can turn a small issue into a stressful emergency. Planning repairs at the right time can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns when you need heat the most. The best time of year to repair your furnace is during the off-season, typically in early fall or spring. During these times, HVAC companies are less busy, which usually means faster scheduling and more flexible appointment options. Repairing your furnace before peak winter demand helps prevent emergency calls, extended downtime, and additional stress. Addressing small issues early also reduces the risk of major component failure once cold weather arrives. In the Twin Cities, furnaces work especially hard during long, freezing winters. Scheduling repairs in early fall ensures your system is ready before temperatures drop and service demand increases across the area. If you want to avoid winter breakdowns, call Vector Services to schedule furnace repair at the right time. Our team helps homeowners in the Twin Cities plan ahead and keep their heating systems running safely and efficiently.